Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Left 4 Dead 2 if it keeps crashing. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Left 4 Dead 2. Then click Properties. Open the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan to finish. Steam will automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. If the game still crashes, open Steam Settings. Go to the Downloads tab. Then click Clear Cache. Sign back into Steam if prompted. Now restart Steam. If the problem continues, right-click Left 4 Dead 2 again. Select Properties. Open the General tab. Under Launch Options, remove any launch commands you have added, unless you specifically need them. If you're using mods, disable them. Then launch the game again. Some outdated or broken mods can cause crashes. Now restart your computer. Then launch Left 4 Dead 2 again. If your game is still crashing, let me know in the comments. Tell me exactly what problem you're facing, and I'll do my best to help you find a solution. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.